Hi everyone. So, I feel like I haven't talked to the camera all day today, and it's been like a busy morning. I did my taxes, and I'm hoping they get accepted. I did laundry. I haven't put away the laundry yet, which I plan to do. I'm also working remotely today, so I've been doing a lot of work, and I haven't really eaten breakfast, but I wasn't very hungry, so I've made tea instead. I definitely want to do lunch. And that's very atypical. I feel like I always have at least something to eat, and I don't know why today. I don't know. I don't know why today I just wasn't hungry and I got up and I also worked out this morning. So I did a lot of things and now it is about 10 minutes to noon. So, it's been a morning, and so now I still have some work that I need to get done. I'm gonna finish my tea, do some work. I have a timer. I'm gonna set a timer for myself because I feel like sometimes I get so enthralled or so into a flow of the work that I do that um I forget to eat, or I forget to do other stuff that I want to get done, or I forget to move my body. I feel like when you work remotely sometimes it's important to move your body, whether it's to do chores or to get up and walk around the apartment. So I'm setting a timer for myself to do my job and get work done and then go make lunch, I guess is what I'm saying. Anyway, it's been a while since I think I've talked to the camera like this. I think my last video is probably the packing one, and then I have two videos that I need to edit for Boston, or one video, and now I'm starting again days in my life videos, and so this is fun for me. I have to say, filming is fun for me, but there is always balance. I don't want it to ever not become fun. But yeah, so that is my plan for the next hour. Okay, so this is my lunch, but hear me out. This is what I have left in my fridge. And I don't want to make a big meal because I am going to go out later. And so I didn't want to eat too much. I have another 2 hours before I clock out. But anyway, point being is I'm going to have some avocado toast, which is my typical, and carrot sticks that I cut up myself. I buy the whole carrot and cut it up. So this is what I'm having. I am going to add some pumpkin seeds onto my toast. I don't have any more nutritional yeast. It's very pricey, so I don't know if I'm going to pick some up. I feel like these past couple months I've been needing to be a little frugal, so we'll see. But anyway, this is my lunch. So yay. Okay, so this is what I'm wearing. for tonight. It's just a regular black slacks with a t-shirt and a under bralette kind of thing. Nothing too crazy. I'm going actually to the New York Historical Society, and I'm going by myself, so in a way this is like a solo date. I'm not going with anyone. I'm not, you know, not doing anything like too special. And I haven't gone on like a solo adventure in a very long time, so I wanted to just do it. It's a rainy, cloudy, icky day in New York City, and for whatever reason, I feel like going out, so I am. And this is what I'm wearing. So I got dressed a little early, because I don't have to leave for like another hour, but I want to get some video editing done because I want to post my Boston trip on Sunday. So by the time you watch this video, my Boston one should be up. So maybe I can like post a card or something up there. I don't know. But I wanted to get that done or keep working on it before I leave. And if you hear that, that's my cat. She will be eating soon, don't worry. But yeah, so this is my outfit. Those are my plans for the night. I am very much looking forward to just doing something very simple, low-key. So, and of course I'm taking you all with me. I know you don't believe me. It's just not time yet. Okay. There you go. Very happy girl now. Hey everyone, so it is the next day as you can see. It is pouring outside, but I'm still gonna go out. It is 8:30ish in the morning right now, and I'm gonna meet my friend to go to Queens to this place called Remix Market, which I'm really excited about. It's like a used furniture store. I see it on like social media all the time. They open around 10 a.m. And then depending on how long we spend there, I might come back here because I want to feed Gracie and then go back out to a housewarming party. So the second part of the day is very tentative, but the first part I'm really excited about. It's on board. So I just wanted to show you my outfit today because it's raining. I am going to be putting on my bogs. I expect to be like outside more than inside, so I don't want to like wear nicer shoes, but I think it looks cute. So I'm wearing like thermal tights because it is in like the low 30s and it's windy. Just like a pencil skirt and then this shirt, which I don't know if I want to keep after this season, but it's like this top part is attached to this bottom part, so there's like no real button shirt under it. It's just like an accessory, I guess. I don't know. It looks weird to me, but let me know what you think. I'm like testing out all of my clothes to see what I want to keep at the end of the season because I don't want clothes that I don't wear or don't really like. So testing this out. This is not what I'm going to wear to the housewarming. If I do go, I'm going to change. At least my top, because this feels very like, I don't know. But we'll see. But yeah, this is what it looks like in the back. I don't know, I like the concept of it, but the way it sits, not so much. But for a day like this where I'm walking around outside, I'm going to have a coat on, it's perfect. And it's, you know, long sleeve because it is cold. So yeah, so this is my outfit. Per usual, baby girl. Sleeping the life away. I love her so much. First stop in Queens, Jackson Avenue.
Let's leave them, okay? Okay. I'm gonna check this one. A doll? You got a doll here? No, let's leave that.
Glad you're gonna go to a good home.
I'm a bow wow. Sorry, making content.
Are we still going the right way?
Yep, it's next one. Pass that part for here.
What's on you?
It's close enough. It's good. I love it. It's cinematic. Velvet Law or espresso martini.
Hi, so as you can see, I am back home. I think the last thing I showed was probably Brooklyn. I was on Metropolitan Lorimer Ave. But yeah, I decided I am not going to the housewarming party. It's a very yucky and rainy day today, so as you saw, so I'm really just glad to be home. I just finished feeding Gracie, so I am going to wash my hands and enjoy this cookie that I had in the morning and then just call it a night because I feel like this type of weather just makes me want to lounge, and it was really fun to go out and walk around, but I am happy to be home. You know, like it's nice. It feels nice now. So I'm going to end the vlog here. Thank you so much for joining me on this adventure and in this video, and I can't wait to see you soon. Till next time, bye!